Hey guys, so it's morning, and one of the things that I'm doing is changing the water in my cut flower vase. I love fresh cut flowers. I love live plants, period. Just love them. Something I get from my mom. So I wanted to stop what I was doing and show you what I do to keep my live flowers, cut flowers, live for an extended period of time. I like to have them in my home at all times, and that can get extremely expensive if you don't know where to get them and if you don't know how to keep them fresh. Number one, I get them from places like Aldi and then, ALDI. I think I spelled it right. And then the other place I just recently started going to, because we didn't have it in our area. Now that I've moved, they're all over the place, and it's Lidl. I don't know how to pronounce it because I've never seen a commercial. I'll figure that out or learn that, but it's Lidl, I believe. And they got tons of fresh flowers and plants and stuff. I got these probably a week or two ago, a week and a half ago, maybe. I got these. They're carnations, and I paid less than $5 for them. So, and they're doing great, and they're going to continue to do great for a while. So, let me tell you what I do to keep them fresh, to keep them going for a while. So, first of all, when I cut them at an angle. So, let me see if you can see that. See, where are you? See what I mean? So it's not cut straight across. It's cut so that, I know it's hard to see it. Okay, it's better to see it. You can see it better there. It's cut at an angle so that when I put it into the vase, only a small part of the stem is touching the bottom of the vase. That way it can get all the water and nutrients or whatever that it needs without being stuck to the bottom of the vase. Hope that makes sense. If it doesn't, ask me in the description section and I'll explain better. Okay, so I also give it some plant food. Now, initially when I get them home, I use the plant food that it usually comes with. But now sometimes if I'm not paying attention, it might not have the plant food with it. Also, it only comes with one packet of plant food. Well, I'm not going to feed them just one time. Every time I change the vase, I'm going to give the flowers some food. So now, how often do I change the vase? I don't have a specific time. Whenever I start to see that the water is getting a little cloudy, that's when I change it because I think it's prettier when the water is clear. So the minute I start to see it looking cloudy, I change the water. Okay, so the recipe that you're going to use for the plant food, for the fresh flower food, is 1 teaspoon of just regular sugar, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, and the brands and all of that doesn't matter. This is just what I happen to have. And 1 teaspoon of bleach. And then you're going to have 4 cups of water. And I'm going to lower this phone, so that you guys can hopefully see what I'm doing. Okay. So the only thing I'm doing, I'm taking the sugar. I like to put it in first, give it more time to dissolve. You just toss it in. And the vinegar, 1 teaspoon, and the bleach, 1 teaspoon. That's it. Now, I like to take a spoon. I'll be right back. and just stir it up. Just to let the sugar dissolve in there. I'm pretty sure that's enough, right? All right. And that water, by the way, is lukewarm. It's not ice cold. It's not hot water. It's lukewarm water. And then if you want, you can arrange them. But I just put them in. It depends on the flowers. But for these, I just toss them in there. That's all. That's all I do. And scatter them around. And I tell you, these will keep, see these, I still have buds on these. So these are going to be great for a really long time. Look at that. That's a bud that hasn't even opened. See that? Also, when you go and get your carnations, when you can find them with the closed, tight closed buds like that, it's going to be good. It's going to be good because you're going to have them around. If you take care of them, if you feed them right, they're going to be around for a long time. Okay? So that's it. That's how simple it is. Enjoy your fresh flowers. If you have any questions, put them down in the description section. And have an awesome day, you guys. I love you.